Sarah, and I was just sent this all aluminum pet door. What makes this pet door really cool is that it's actually a telescoping door. So it will fit in between your wall. It's not something that's real thin. And then it can also just move in and out based on how thick your wall is. You can install this that way. Also, it has two flaps. So you have one flap on this side and then one flap on the other side. And that's really good because it helps keep that dirt or wind or weather or anything else like that out of there. So one thing I also really like is this locking door right here. It has this little lock and it lifts this up to where you can actually lock it in place like this if you just want to temporarily keep it open for them. You can take it completely off if you just are not going to use it. So that way if you're going to be going out of town, or if your dogs, you can't have them in the house because something's going on, you can keep them out or in. This stops them from being able to use the door. So you do have to take it off to be able to get on the inside here. We have some cardboard, and I'll bring you in here close so you can take a good look at this, because this is a really nice door that can be used for a medium-sized dog up to 45 pounds. This is this aluminum on the outside. And the way that they've actually put the coating on it, they've made it to where you can paint your own stuff on here. So you can actually paint all of this, whatever color or decoration or anything like that you want to have. It's just a really nice little feature to be able to put onto the door. All right, so we've got some cardboard on the inside here. I'm just going to take out so you can see the actual door. Now these do have magnets on the bottom of this, so whenever it closes, it then stays in its spot. So now it's stuck on there. It's not folding out. And as you can see, if I hold it this way, that door is staying steady. And then this nice little weatherproof thing here, it's got a little seal all the way around it. And then your magnets are on this part inside here. So that way it will stay closed. And you'll also have a seal here. Got your metal through here. So let's see if I can get my dogs to go through this door. And there you go. As soon as the dog went through it, those both sealed back up. This would be a great door to add into any home that's got small to medium-sized dogs. In the kit, you actually do get mounting hardware, and it comes with this little template to help you know how much to cut whenever you are cutting into a wall or something. Then you can use this and have your guides to be able to place your item.